Hello, what is up guys? So today we are going to unbox the Monarch vacuum cleaner. So this is originally priced at around 10k I think PHP. So 10k peso around I think $180 or something. It went the same at 6.5k, so it's 3.5k less, or around $70 less. So here's the box. It's packaged well with cardboard, the box itself with the handle, so carry it around. You can find this actually on your site, on our page. Okay, so it's under section. So it's pretty easy to open. Also, it's the other way around. So you find some application for the additional packaging safety. Then this is the user manual. Then this is the vacuum thingy, I think. Yep, I think it's the vacuum thingy, or no, the water something. Oh, it's a water tank. Okay, let's put it aside. And then the remote. Oh. We're not gonna take it off the packaging. Then the charger. Charging bit. Charges at faster rated output in the Philippines. And this is, I think, the charging station. Also in this packaging. There's the charging dock at the side, and then the robot itself. Which is here, so it's quite heavy, but it's also light. So underneath the robot, there are some brushes. I think these are extra water brushes. that can replace these. Yeah. So aside from that, here's a cleaning brush for maintenance. Then I'm not aware what is this because it's the first time that I'm seeing one. Yeah, it's a spare cloth, mopping cloth, and then underneath the egg plate talking thingy, there's nothing else. So hold on, okay, the unboxing. Sorry, this is just one-handed unboxing. So here it is, Monarch Bot Robot Vacuum Cleaner. So here's the underside. Oh, so this one is the propulsion for that, and then there are the rotors, the wheels, and I don't know yet actually how to open it. So it doesn't have batteries yet, I think, or it does, but I'll be looking at the manual first, and then I'll test it out later. So that's it for this unboxing. It's the Monarch Robot Vacuum Cleaner, and you can avail it at monarch.ph.